rock this beat.
Going on YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Sunday, March 31st, 2019 is flying by. We're almost at the summer already, and like I said in yesterday's video, the sneaker companies are really dropping some serious heat in this first quarter of 2019. It actually predates even into the fourth quarter of 2018. That being said, we just unboxed the Yeezy 350 V2 Clays yesterday, and like I stated in that video, I did pick up a second pair of sneakers yesterday, so we're going to jump into that unboxing. Before we do, the Primo Hoagies gift card giveaway is still going on. Go to my Instagram to see the rules, and I put everything in yesterday's video, so if you didn't check out the Clay video, instead of me just keep saying, as stated in yesterday's video, go give yesterday's video a watch. But like I said, I'm giving away two $50 gift cards to Primo Hoagies. I teamed up with them. We're trying to do a little collaboration together. So go peep my Instagram for all the details. I'm in a pretty bad shape right now. I'm pretty hungover. Me and Nay had a 21st birthday party yesterday for a kid we know. Shout out Jake Booth. You made it to a video. And we're both pretty hungover. So I want to get into this unboxing and review pretty fast, so I'm not going to keep you guys waiting too much longer. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in that Phantom colorway. The leather on these is bananas. We're gonna just start this off right now. The leather on this is crazy. You can see it on the toe box and on the side paneling. It's like a crinkled leather. It's not tumbled, but it's meant to, it almost looks like a piece of loose leaf paper. Kind of got bunched up and then got, attempted to be straightened back out. It's on the heel as well. Very, very dope. There's two different types of leather going throughout. The white contrast with like a darker white. I'm assuming that is what Nike is calling the Phantom part of the colorway. But it's a white and red sneaker. You all know how beloved the Jordan 1 is to me. It's a top 3 sneaker silhouette of all time. We got Jordan 1, Air Max 1, Jordan 3. It's not debatable as far as I am concerned. And with that hint of black on the Jordan logo up on the collar, very, very nicely done. The material's very, very nicely done. And I feel like Jordan 1s have been hitting recently. And it's crazy the resurgence of the Jordan 1 mid. They've been really hitting. Like that Lakers colorway was crazy resell, and it died, and they're sitting in like Foot Locker and stuff. Me and they actually just seen them over at the Cherry Hill Mall sitting in a Kicks USA, and even I checked StockX that day. The resale value is dipped drastically, but Jordan 1s are definitely back. As far as I was concerned, they were never really gone, but it's good to see that the younger generation and the newer sneakerheads are embracing the Jordan 1 like the rest of us OGs do. There's not too much to say. It's a Jordan 1. I'm not going to dive into a crazy review. Like I said, the leather, like the crinkled, wrinkled leather was nicely done. I also like the zigzag stitching on the tongue. I know people are probably going to attribute that to Virgil and say Nike's ripping off the Nike Off-White collab, which is just crazy since Nike is the one who did the Off-White collab, so they would just be ripping off themselves. Black and red Nike branding on the tongue, the black Jordan branding on the collar. You got the double outline swoosh with that gym red outlining on the white Nike swoosh. Black stitching throughout the heel and side panels, and then red stitching throughout the toe box and the rest of the upper. It does come with 2 more laces. You got a black pair, you got a red pair, and then you have the white pair that is already pre-laced into the sneaker. True to size, as always with a Jordan 1, I'm at 8.5 in Nike. I went with an 8.5 in these. I'm crazy with shoe sizing, so when I tell you to go true to size in these, that is an accurate suggestion on my part. Like I said, this sneaker was a home run for me. I know people or calling these bricks online, and I don't listen to that stuff. You guys know what I think's cool and what I think's dope is what I personally rock and, you know, what I personally buy. So I think these were a home run. Leave comments down below. Let me know if you guys are feeling the Jordan 1 Phantom. I'm going to go bang out this on full for you guys, and I'll be back this week with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.